This is Igbo Area TV.
Hello. Yeah, I like what I hear. No one wants to be marginalized again. No one wants to be sidelined. Igbos everywhere are beginning to identify with Igbos of Southeast as one people. We are real indigenous Igbos, says Benue Igbos. We are real indigenous Igbos. We are happy to hear this from Benue Igbos. Gone are the days where we don't know where Igboid communities are hidden. I have now put Anyoma and them on the map for future reference. They are in 4 local government areas of Benue State, namely Ado, Oju, Okpoku and Obi, all in Benue State. These are ethnic Igbo. These are known as the Umwezokoha people. Some people were speaking about Igbo trying to annex other people's land. But look at how sizable amount of Igbo were cut off and placed in the north as northern communities. Presumably, some people hope that the Umwezokoha people will lose their identity, as is happening with some Ikwere people in River State. Umwezokoha community is in the present Benue State and comprises of over 300 villages of Igbo-speaking areas. Ado, Oju, Okpoku and Obi are local government areas that are part of the newly proposed upper state that which the Idoma have been calling for. There are over 1 million of them spread across 4 local government areas of Benue State. They are ethnic Igbos. Before the Nigerian Civil War, they lived a happy and meaningful life, mingling freely with their kith and kin in the state. But today, things are falling apart. Instead of the joyful songs they were used to, they now sing dirges. The Benue Igbos, who are called by the name Umwezokoha, are not happy that they have been neglected for a long time now by successive governments, federal, state or local, and they are blaming these on their ethnic origin and the fact that they are in the wrong state. Unequivocally, Benue Igbo people are not known as farm settlers, as some prominent Igbo men are going about broadcasting to the public that we are only settlers here for sake of farming. Comprehensively, farming is our pride in relation to our kith and kin in Ebonyi State, namely Eza, Izi, Efium, and Ezambo people. These people mentioned here are today the strength of Abakaliki political bloc and also the farming strength of Ebonyi people. For more than 100 years ago, we have been in Benue State, even during the time of the Civil War, and afterwards. And still today, we are pronouncing widely in popularity more than expected. Nigeria government, I think this is the right time to embrace justice and stop the political ostracism against the Benue Igbo. Although we have been facing a lot of unexpected harassment, but we are firmly assuring you people that no amount of political deprivation or subjugation will make us to deny our identity as Igbo-speaking people of Benue State, and we must forever remain resolute to achieve our political freedom. People should stop misdirecting the public with messages full of deceit and shenanigans that we are farm settlers in Benue State. We are real indigenous Igbo resident in Benue. Meanwhile, on September 23, 2016, their umbrella organization, Benue Igbo Development Union, BIDU issued a press release. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube for more updates. Please also connect with us on Facebook, Igbo Area TV. You can also like our page. You can join the group, the same name, Igbo Area TV. If you want to connect with the presenter on this station on Facebook, also check Azuka Moneka. If you have materials for us, you can also forward it through Facebook. We also want to be talking about our various states and local government. If you have materials that you want published, please send them to us. Thanks.